Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste friends. This is a video on tracking the Tithi for an entire month, day by day. There was a request from one of the subscribers wanting to know when Tithi changes on a given day. Because if you were to track the, say, given a longitude, if you were to track the time, that's a different story than given a time to track the longitude. So given a time, tracking the longitude is easy. But when moon crosses a particular longitude, when that the time factor, of course, we for moon alone we add VBA code which does it easily. Now when we come to Tithi, Tithi is a difference between moon and sun longitudes, and there is involved a calculation there because we need to know when this difference, because both moon and sun would be moving and continuously. So to track when this time change happens, for some software creators it becomes a little tricky. So somebody wanted how to do this in Excel. So there we are. So here what we give is just the user input is the year, the month. So if you want a different month, you can choose a different month. I am erecting the entire calculations for 1 month, almost 1 month. For 31 days I put. You can choose your own Ainamsa. There is a list of Ainamsas. I think I'll have to maybe let me unhide the Ainamsa sheet here. We have the entire list of Ainamsas. So I think I'll have to modify this in terms of the data validation. I think it's wrongly sitting as a list. Instead, I'll have to choose this as the list there. Just pardon me for that. Okay. So there you will have a list of Ainamsas from which you can choose any of the Ainamsas, just as before. So I choose the true Chitrapaksha Lagari. And then once you have chosen a month, just press the calculate button. Of course, that's required because I have made suppressed the automatic calculations here. If you want, you can put on the automatic calculations also. Only thing is when you make any change, it will go for calculations immediately. I wanted to suppress that, so I placed it in manual. What this gives is for the month, each date of the month, it tells you what is the Tithi, what is the first Tithi and the second Tithi, because the Tithi can change within the duration of the date. By date, I mean 0 hours of that date, the English calendar, 0 hours to 24 hours. So within those 24 hours, at what time does the Tithi change? So this is erected for this month, and we see Amavasya falling on the 12th at 2:46 p.m. So, and today is what day? Today is the 16th of November, and today Shukla Tritiya change is at 12:35 p.m. So maybe we can cross verify these things with the Jagannath Hora. So I have come over here. When you check here, I have put for December 16th. And December 16th, Shukla Tritiya is 12:35 p.m. till 12:35 p.m. So on December 16th, it is till 12:35 p.m. And then Chaturthi starts. So we can, you get a clean idea of when the Shukla Paksha is, when the Krishna Paksha is, when is Amavasya, when is, and it's a, you can, Muhurta selections, you can avoid certain dates quickly. When Tithi changes is a very important question for many of the event selections. So in case you want to modify it, say for the next month, just modify it and press the calculate button, and have to wait a few seconds for it to fully populate. Now it has done, it's still doing it. Some few, maybe a minute's time will let allow for it to populate the changed calculations. So now you have for December, the Amavasya is on the 13th. It actually starts on the 12th at 6:25 a.m. So we can verify it for the particular enams are chosen with any of the other softwares and check if it's correct. So I am giving a downloadable link for this file. Check if it is working all right and is useful to you. And give in the comment section what you further desire such templates would be useful for you in case you can give your suggestions. Thank you.